Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger not showing notification preview. So if Messenger notifications arrive but the message preview, like the sender name or message content, doesn't appear, the issue is usually caused by Messenger, Android, or iPhone notification settings or privacy settings. So let's check Messenger notification settings. So open Messenger and click on menu at the bottom right. Then from here, go to settings. Then scroll down and look for notifications and sounds. Open it. Now make sure Do Not Disturb is disabled or turned off. And make sure notifications are on. So you can enable show previews if available on your device. So here at the bottom under notification preferences. So here you have show previews. So make sure that is enabled just like so. Next is to check phone notification settings. So close Messenger and open your settings. Once you're on settings, scroll down and look for notifications and open it. Scroll down and look for Messenger, open it. Then enable allow notifications just like so. You can also enable lock screen, so make sure that is checked, notification center, and banner. So make sure you check all of that. Then scroll down and under lock screen appearance, tap on show previews and choose always or when unlock. So make sure you choose either of these two. And that's basically it. That should solve the problem.